Let's dive into division, abacus. Hey super math stars. Sparkles, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alrighty, let's start dividing 214 by 2. Get ready for some math magic, Sparkles. We look at the first digit of 214, which is 2. We'll use this digit to start. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time, so 1 is our first quotient digit. Now let's multiply our quotient digit 1 by the divisor 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. We subtract this product 2 from our partial number 2. 2 minus 2 leaves us with 0, no remainder here. Great job, you're crushing this. We've got more digits to go. Let's bring down the next digit to continue our adventure. Here we go with the next step. We're on a roller coaster. We bring down the next digit from 214, which is 1. Now our partial number is 1. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 1? It doesn't fit at all, so we write 0 in the quotient. Let's multiply the new quotient digit, 0, by the divisor 2. 0 times 2 is 0. Now subtract the product 0 from our partial number 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. That's our remainder for this step. You're doing fantastic. Keep that amazing energy going, Sparkles. We're almost there. Let's bring down the last digit to finish this division dance. Last step, let's finish strong. Flexed biceps, you've got this. We bring down the final digit, 4, and join it with our remainder 1. Our new partial number is 14. How many times does 2 fit into 14? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 7, so 7 is our next quotient digit. Time to multiply. 7 times our divisor 2 equals 14. Subtract the product 14 from our partial number 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. We have no remainder left. Woohoo, you nailed it. That's the spirit, party popper. And that's the end of our division journey for 214 divided by 2. We're all done. So we found out that 214 divided by 2 is 107. We did it, team. We tackled long division step by step, turning a big number into smaller, manageable chunks. Remember, every big problem can be solved by breaking it down. Keep practicing, and you'll be a division whiz in no time. That's all for today, Math Explorers. Keep that curiosity buzzing and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time, waving hand.